Hot dog recipe. At my specialty recipe. Chop the onion. Prepare the hot dog and peel.
Ay, putek na putol!
Slice the hot dogs diagonally. Like and comment. Don't forget to follow at my specialty recipe. Slice long chili. In a cooking pan, pour in and heat oil. Once the oil is heated, add the hot dogs. Stir fry until the hot dogs until light brown. Comment your location so I know where my video got to. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to watch more. Once browned, remove from the pan. After the hot dogs are cooked, take them out of the pan and set them aside. Using the same cooking pan, sauté onion until it turns translucent. Long chili. Ground pepper. Ketchup. Oyster sauce. Mix to blend the ingredients well. Cook the sauce for a few minutes. When the sauce reaches a boil, add the hot dogs. Stir gently until each piece is well coated with the sauce. Make sure to stir everything together and bring the mixture to a boil. Cook until the sauce is reduced and thickness. To avoid the sauce sticking to the pan, make sure to stir the mixture occasionally. Like and comment. Don't forget to follow at my specialty recipe. Transfer to a serving plate. Share and enjoy. Thanks for watching. At my specialty recipe, follow now.